And this video tutorial is working through Let's Learn Tinkercad. We're working through step 4, making and manipulating group objects. There, as I've started previously, let's let that load up. So I'm starting at step 1 there. First step, straightforward, so we're continuing to next step there. It's giving us a wee introduction. You can read that on your own. And now it's asking us to drag 2 cylinders and 1 box. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. Grab the box, line up where they've asked for the silhouette and the cylinder in there and the yellow cylinder in there as well, and click next. Now it's asking us to hold shift. I'm holding shift there and selecting all the items. So items selected, so I've clicked on those while holding shift, and then we're grouping those there. You can see those items have now grouped, and it's changed to one color. Now in the menu bar, it's asking us to go to edit, which we've got edits up here, and then select duplicate. So we're clicking that there, and we're clicking next. Now it's asking us while holding Alt to grab the height handle and make the shape taller. So holding Alt, we're making the shape taller there. There we are there. You can see that's in line with that top silhouette. You can just see that there. Now it's asking us to grab a corner handle, and while holding Shift and Alt, make the duplicate smaller. So we're going to bring that in, so it's the same outline around the top there. I'm going to click next. Now it's going to change that to whole, and then we'll click next there. Then we'll select the outside heart, and we're going to group that there, and there we have it. And if you want, you can change the color of that red, and that's the example shown. Now it's asking us to move that one out of the way, so we don't need that for the next step. So now it's asking us to add a box, the roof up here, and then move it up 20 millimeters. So we'll move it up. There we are, 20 millimeters. We'll move up 20 millimeters, and then it's asking us to align relative to each other. So we'll put that in there, and those are lined up. Then I'm going to choose the color to our house. I'm going to go for a nice dark red roof. I'm going to go for a light blue building, and click next. I'm going to hit group the objects. So you click on the first one, hold shift, and click on the second one, and then we're grouping the objects there. And it says, don't worry about the colors, take a breath, let's get them back. Continue to the next. So what we can do is we can click solids. When we go up here and click multicolored, that brings back the colors we originally chose. We can click next. Now it's asking to scale our house, so we're dragging that out this way here. We are to 50. Now it's asking to duplicate the shape, so we have the duplicate button, and then we're going to rotate that round. We're going to rotate it on the inside, right on the inside, and it moves round at 22.5 degree intervals. Move round, we'll click next. Now it's asking us to make that part there 25 millimeters long. So I start dragging that in. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to type this. Once I click on the dimension, type that there, and there we have it. Now it's saying you can customize your house. Before I customize it, I'm going to group these two parts of the house there. Remember, you can always ungroup it if you decide you don't want that. I'm going to group those two together. Next, I'm going to add a doorway. So I'll just show you how I add a doorway. I'm going to grab the box tool. And I'm going to shrink that down so it's the same size as that box they've got. A little bit in that way a little bit. There we are. And then I'm going to group those. I've got my doorway added there. And that orange box is just remaining because that's where they've had that silhouette. If I move the house out of the way, you can see I've got my doorway there. So that's you've completed making and manipulating group objects. You're going to have a go at the next tutorial, which I've recorded a video for as well.